Tully. Joseph, it's a tough sell to try to convince a jury that this is anything but the worst case scenario, kills the mother of his child, and then takes this infant and throws, presumably alive, her into the Mississippi River. What's your overall thought here, and in the state of Tennessee, what's going to happen with this jury? And what do you think about the defense attempt to try to maybe switch a juror or two?
So I think you're right. In terms of heinousness, this is one of the most heinous crimes that you can imagine. I did think that the defense did the best job possible given this situation. I think everything about the defense attorney was the best anyone could possibly do. He's not talking a lot of facts. It's not a hard sell. It's very soft, very genteel, very Southern charm, and just kind of quietly reminding the jury that this young man does have good qualities. He is not this entirely pure evil person. He works. He knows the value of work. He's not completely irredeemable. And it's just in a very soft, very Southern way. I think that is the best possible way to get this message across to the jury.
It seems like, because they didn't give a number in opening, that it's just between parole or not parole. What do you think jurors feel? I know you can't say specifically about this jury, but how do they feel about allowing this to basically be in the hands of the parole board of when someone would get freedom, if at all? I mean, there are times when people can get denied parole. This is just an opportunity.
Yes, I do think that the jury looks at things. I think they're going to be very inflamed after the guilt phase, number one. I mean, again, these crimes are very, very heinous. And as to your point, whether or not the jury is calculating well, if we do give him parole, that doesn't mean that he will get parole. It means it's up to the parole board. And as we know in famous cases, a lot of times people do not get parole. So it's whether or not that's a factor, we haven't heard it argued. I would, honestly flip a coin on that to know if whether or not the jury is calculating, well, we can give this young man a chance, and it's not up to us, it's up to the parole board. The defense could have subtly put that in there. I didn't hear it, but it's a great point.
Yeah, it was very subtle, but they didn't give a number, and it just seemed that they wanted to say, hey, you can lock them up, but don't throw away the key. Joseph Tully, stand by. We're going to get to our break. When we come back, we're going to listen to how the state ends everything with their state rebuttal, and then this will be in the hands of the jury again.